Okay, let's go through a quick example of profiling an application on Polaris with the NVidia tools. So there's an example included in the repo. The first step is to grab an interactive node. I've already done that just to save time in case it's not available immediately. And next, we're going to load some modules. We need CMake for building, and there's a specific CUDA toolkit that we're going to load up. And those are going to provide the environment that we need. Then you enter this Babel stream example directory, and we're going to paste this CMake build command into the terminal and build this code. Okay. And there's all the output is nicely copied here, so it should look very similar. And then we'll actually run the build command. Okay. And that's going to build our executable. Then we're going to go into the build directory and we're going to execute the program. Okay. So there's the CUDA stream example. Okay, so that runs good. So the next step is to run this application with the profiler. So we're going to use the example provided. There are a lot of command line options that can be changed with NSight systems and NSight compute. So you should explore those in a proper tutorial of those systems. I'm going to run this NSight systems quickly on this executable. And then we will run the NSight compute. Let's go ahead and do that first before we look at the outputs. So we're going to run NSight compute like that. We also want to post-process these. So after they have run, let's see, after they have run, we're going to want to oh, that command was up here, sorry. Right, post-processing. So we're going to post-process these on the terminal after these tests are done. So we're going to post-process each of these files. Have to wait for these to finish. There we go. Okay. So let's check that we have the files that we need. There's the NSight compute, the NSight system files. We're going to copy these directly out of this directory. So I'm going to open another terminal. Now I'm on my laptop. And I'm just going to scp Polaris : and I'm going to copy this path. Okay. And then I'm going to do each of these files. And I'm just going to copy it into my directory here. Okay. I'll do this one. And this one. And with that, on my Mac, now I can do this. So I'm going to, in Spotlight, I've already installed these. So if I type in NSight, I'm going to open up Systems first. And we are going to open I'm just going to go down here, and there's the file for Babel Stream. So we're going to open that up. And now you can view that on your computer here. You can investigate all the stuff that's going on, all the performance issues that you might be having, right? So you can zoom in on these, see what's going on your GPU. You can look at these kernels. Again, this is not meant to be a tutorial on the NSight systems or NSight compute, but that just gives you an example of how you would do this on your personal computer. Next, we'll open up NSight Compute. We'll do the same thing. File open. Going to my home directory. I think I need, oh, not program. I want to open file, not project, sorry. There we go. So we will do this, open, and now you get all the results that NSight Compute provides related to the individual kernels and how long they took. So have a look. That's an example of how you would profile with NSight systems and NSight Compute. Get those results, bring them back to your laptop or your desktop, and then run the visual interfaces to see how those are performing for you.